Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So I've got this Toyota that came in on the wrecker. It's a Toyota It's a Honda CRV. When you work on a lot of vehicles, sometimes they get mixed up in your head. But this car still smells brand new inside. It's got 1,844 miles on it. If you come over here and look on my dash, I've got all kinds of bad stuff going on. I got messages, I got lights. It says, here, catch this. It says power system problem. Do not drive. I'm a emission system problem. There's all kinds of stuff going on with this car. This car is very sick. And I don't mean sick like the teenagers say sick these days, whatever that means. But I mean sick like if you look underneath here, you'll see this is some of the covering, and you'll see this bracket. So she hit a piece of debris in the roadway, or the driver did, whoever it was, hit a piece of debris in the roadway. It has created some damage to the electrical underneath there, the wiring harness and stuff like that. It has also punctured a hole into the bottom of the fuel tank. This is a hybrid vehicle, so it's electric and gas. So it needs the gasoline to charge the battery portion of the electrical side of it. So even though it's a brand new vehicle, people sometimes assume that, well, I got a brand new vehicle and I'm not going to be broke down. This one still has the paper tag. Come back here and look. September 21st of 2025, right? So they haven't had it more than a couple months. It's less than 2 months old to them. So it's from Arkansas. It is a 6 of 25 model. This car was built in, this is August of 25. This car was literally in the factory 2 months ago, and here it is at my shop. So it wasn't planned, but they hit something in the road. I'm sure their insurance will be paying for it, but there's lots of hazards out there. That's why it's so important to be attentive as you're driving. Try to be careful that you don't run over anything that's in the road that's not supposed to be in the road. You don't want to swerve and get in a wreck or something like that, but that's a whole nother video. But case in point, this car, 2 months old, it's in the shop, extensive repairs. I'll see you in the next video.